Hey, we're back with another food adventure, but this time we're doing part 2 of our limoncello at home. So this is aged now for right around 4 days. You could probably do 3, but I did 4, and we're using cane sugar, but it does say for just regular white sugar, being a little healthier. And you want to mix these two together and just let it simmer for a while till all the sugar is dissolved, and then set aside to cool. All right. You want to take these 2 jars, rinse them with water, and do about a minute in the microwave to sterilize them. All right, so next step, we're going to take the funnel. You're going to put it in the bottle like that, and you're going to use this cloth so you don't get any peel down there. Go ahead and half up the water sugar mixture into each container, and then fill up with the vodka minus the lemon peel. All right, so that's our sugar mixture in there. And now go ahead and line this and pour in the vodka lemon mix. All right, you can see the bottles. I left a little room for the corks to go in. You also want to take this Manuka honey, give it a couple drops just to sweeten it. All right, if you want to get this limoncello kit, it's on uncommongifts.com. Nicole got me this last Christmas, and I'm finally getting around to it, but there you go. There's a limoncello. You want to put this in the fridge. I like to put it in the freezer because I like them nice and cold. Thanks for tuning in.